Hello mga kababayan. Ako po pala sila Arnie Buot at ang husband ko po, his name is Jason Carl. He is with the kids right now in the playground. It's already almost nighttime here, but they're still enjoying the playground. So I have a chance to share to you this very amazing business that we have found 3 months ago that changed our lives. Kami po ay 5 years na po dito sa Houston, Texas. At akala po namin nung pumunta kami dito sa US is lahat po ay easy lang buhay. But no, yun po lahat ay akala lang dahil doon po namin na-realize na mahirap pala ang manirahan dito dahil ang raming bills to pay, ang raming pong babayarang insurances. Bago lang po kami kumuha ng bahay, kaya po may mortgage payment kami, insurance po ng bahay, ang rami pong mga babayarin at saka po kailangan po namin magpadala sa aming pamilya back home in the Philippines kasi po they are old and aging and they need their maintenance medication, good nutrition, regular check-ups. Kailangan po namin ng extra income po para sa aming pamilya back home. At of course mga kabayan, kailangan po namin ng mag-save po para sa aming retirement. Ito po yung husband ko.
Hello, good evening, good afternoon. Thank you.
Yes po, yan po ang aking masipag na husband na nag-aalaga po sa aming baby. Yes kabayan, so kailangan po namin ng income po, sideline income while I am working full-time as a nurse po. So kabayan, ang hirap dahil kailangan ko pong mag-double kayod. Kailangan kong mag-overtime 1 to 2 days a week para lang po magkaroon ng extra income para makatustos po sa pang-araw-araw, makapagpadala sa aming pamilya back home. Of course kabayan, gusto po naming umuwi ng Pinas na hindi po nag-aalala po sa mga gastusin financially. Ang ano po kabayan, ang expensive po mag-travel. Kaya yun po mga biggest why namin. Gusto naming mabayaran ng aming mortgage early. Gusto po namin ng makapag-save for the kids' future. Gusto lang po namin, number 1 po is makapag-spend po ng quality time po sa aming mga anak. Quality time, hindi po namin mamiss ang mga milestones nila. Kaya itong online business is swak na swak po na para sa amin. At lucky po kami na na-introduce po sa amin itong business na to ng aming friend po dito sa Texas. Minessage niya lang po ako one night about this business and I immediately jump in because I know that this is gonna be the business that I'm looking for a while. Kaya po, yung husband ko is a very supportive husband. He's also very happy that we found this business po. Kaya ito pong business na to kabayan, hindi mo po kailangang maging may background po sa business. Hindi mo po kailangan ng maging tech savvy or computer savvy. Hindi mo po kailangang mag-sell ng products o mag-hold po ng mga produkto. Hindi mo po kailangang may education. Kahit ano po, this is for everyone. If you are just kung gusto mo pong if you are just willing to learn, driven, at mayroon ka talagang pangarap para sa iyong pamilya, this business is for you. Kaya po, iniimbitahan ko po kayo na mag-check out po sa aming website at i-register nyo po ang inyong email address at pangalan po para po makareceive po kayo ng information para makapanood po kayo sa 90-minute free workshop. At katulad po ninyo, pinanood po namin yan 3 months ago, yung free workshop na yan, at doon po namin nalaman at na-inspire po kami at naging business owner ngayon. At we did not regret any decision in this business because we are very happy and we are already seeing the results. Kaya mga kabayan, iniimbitahan ko po kayo na check out our website. And I'm so glad tonight that I was able to share with you this amazing business. And pinagpipray po ko po sa Panginoon na all our heart's desires and whatever we are wishing for is gonna be granted. And thank you Lord for all the blessings and graces. Thank you mga kabayan. God bless po. Good evening.